Secretary, Auroville Foundation. Okay. முடிச்சுட்டு சொன்னீங்க இல்லை நான் நேரடியாக அதை பண்ணிக்கிறேன் இல்லை டெக்னிக்கலாக பேசுகிறேன் இந்த டைம் சார் Mr. Tuan from Auroville Consulting, Mrs. Meenakshi, Mr. Srinivasan and the entire Tangetco team, and all the Aurovillians and friends who are present here. அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய காலை வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு இந்த விழா நெட் மீட்டரிங் இல்லை grid feed-in solar installation udayada first experiment namakeda Tamil Nadu le net metering grid feed-in adeka theve irukke adakke or main karanam suryan mulma nama ada generate panni electricity ipo varai batteries le store panni pahalla nalla generation panni battery le store pandrom அப்புறம் அது அந்த ஸ்டோரேஜ் இருந்து ராத்திரி அதை கன்சியூம் பண்ணி
approval from Tangetco to go ahead with this pilot project, we have come to a very clear understanding that during this pilot study, the power that we feed into the grid will not be paid for by Tangetco because there is no policy for it. So I'm requesting Punusami, who runs the Auroville Electrical Service, and Mr. Srinivasan to please come over here, where Punusami will give a written undertaking that never ever we will ask for money for this power. Till we come with a policy. Yes.
It's on tape.
Yeah, it's on tape. Yeah.
உடன்படிக்கையில் கையெழுத்திடுகிறார்கள். Okay, gentlemen, can you just show the மின்சார வாரியமும் ஆரோவில் மின்துறையும் இது மிக பெரிய சர்வதேச உடன்பாடு. நம்முடைய சார்பில் திரு பொன்னுசாமி அவர்கள் கையெழுத்திடுகிறார்கள். All the students of இளைஞர்கள் எஜுகேஷன் சென்டர். Yes, we documented that. Thank you, gentlemen.
May we now request Mr. Nagarajan, Assistant Divisional Engineer of Tangetco, to say a few words. Mr. Nagarajan.
இந்த நாட்டுக்கு மிக முக்கியமான ஒரு முன்னோடி திட்டமாக இது கருதப்படுகிறது. இந்த முன்னோடி திட்டத்தை முதல் முறையாக
already mentioned in his address, we had a great support in this effort from many people. And one of the persons who has really been supporting us in this effort is Mrs. Santa Sheila Nair, who is the Vice Chairperson of the State Planning Commission. In fact, this whole story started with a meeting in her office, which she chaired on 18 January 2012. She could not make it over here today because she had another engagement, but she has been kind enough to send us a message, which Mr. Adanari will read out for us. Maybe I will ask Debo of Sunday Future to just check how much we have exported to the grid since the last half an hour. Maybe he can present an unofficial bill to Tangetco, which of course won't be paid, because just now Punusami has signed for it. Dear friends, we are coming to the conclusion of this function where we have commissioned and connected to the grid 2 solar rooftop systems. And as already pointed out by various speakers, the big advantage of doing it on a roof, 2 kilowatt hours, that is 2 into 5, 10 rupees you owe us. The big advantage of rooftop solar is that you don't have to take land. You see, a megawatt of solar takes 5 acres of land. And what of course everybody is worried about, that still more agricultural land will get converted into non-agricultural land. So the advantage of rooftop solar, first of all, we don't have to take land. Of course, rooftop solar cannot take care of the entire target of 3,000 megawatt, but at least a significant part of it. And as already explained also, most of the energy that is produced on the roof is getting consumed in the building. And the reason that we have only exported so far 2 kilowatt hours is simply because the rest is being taken by this amplifier and by some other appliances that are running right now in this building. But if we would switch off everything in this building, all the power would go to the grid. We have also already been told that low-cost solar PV is extremely important to make it large scale. A lot of progress has been made, I would say, in the last couple of years in getting the prices of the solar panels down. But we believe that in the electronics and in the inverters, there is still a lot of scope for cost reduction. Inverters, in our view, are still a bit on the higher side as far as cost is concerned. We hope that the performance of these two pilot projects will ultimately result into a policy that will encourage every one of us to put rooftop solar and connect it to the grid. The Tamil Nadu government, as we know, is already working on such a policy, and these rooftops that we have installed today and the rooftop which has been installed on the building of TEDA, 4 kilowatt, are going to be monitored for the next couple of months so that everyone gets full confidence that this is indeed a viable proposition. The installation and commissioning of these pilots would not have been possible without the support of State Planning Commission, TEDA, Tangetco, and I would like the Sunlight Future team, Rishi and Debo, to please come here, because these are the guys who actually installed it, and I would like Punasami also to get up because they connected it jointly with Tangetco to the grid. Give them a big hand. And this was not a straightforward, they had done a lot of standalones, but this was actually the first time in their career that they did a grid-connected system, which they did in fact in parallel with another one, which was done in Pondicherry on the roof of the residence of Brahmanand Mohanty, who also sits here, who is doing a very similar pilot in Pondicherry. And we are all supporting him and working with him to get that also approved as soon as possible by the government of Pondicherry. As you know, Pondicherry lends itself very well for rooftop solar because there the houses are row houses, and it is possible to, in fact, to put large plants on roofs that can be rented from the roof owners, even if they don't want to invest themselves. The other team that has worked very hard on making this a reality is, of course, the Elanjagal Education Center. We have disturbed them many, many times. I don't know how many times we have converted classrooms into workshops, but they were all very happy. And the nice thing is that the children who are studying here, they are now going back to the village and asking at home, when are we getting rooftop solar? In conclusion, I would like to thank all of you for having taken the time and effort to come over here. If you would like to see the equipment, if you go out from that side and you walk about 10 meters, you can see the rooftop solar panels. If you come into this room behind us, you can see the inverter. And if you go in the office room on that side, you can see the grid interface. So maybe you could divide yourself into 3 groups and see those places while some more music will be played and all of you will be given a snack and some juices. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
We are all very much against pollution. Instead of all of us moving to that second side and coming back, there are 2 people waiting at the other side. 2 persons from Tangetco and 1 person from Auto Electrical Service. And Mr. Srinivasan will now, in front of the microphone, will ask them to commission that plant as well. In the morning, Mr. Sudeep Jain has already commissioned the grid inverter before coming here. And now we are commissioning for that plant also the grid interface.
இன்னொரு இடத்தில் இருக்கிற இரண்டாவது மேல்கூரை கிரிட்டை வந்து இப்பொழுது தொடங்குகிறார்கள். அங்கே இருந்து செய்தி இங்க வருகிறது.
அதே அந்த பிளான்ட் கமிஷன் பண்ணிடலாம். பண்ணிடலாம்.
மாத்திருமந்திர் தோட்டத்தில் இருக்குது. இது கமிஷன் செய்யிட்டாங்களான்னு பார்த்தாங்க. கமிஷன்.
So we now have two plants. One is here, which is a 2 kilowatt rooftop on the roof of a school, and another 1.7 kilowatt, which is on the roof of a residence, feeding electricity into the Tamil Nadu grid. The electricity, of course, is consumed in the building, but the surplus is being exported to the grid. And at this point of time, since both the buildings don't consume much power themselves, we are actually feeding into the grid, and I hope that you can use that relief a little bit. Now I would request Mr. Sudeep Jain to kindly address the gathering with a few words.
Again on time.
So this is the solar panel.
Yeah, this is showing what is produced. This is showing what we are exporting to the grid. This is what we are importing from the world. So it will take about 30 seconds because the system has recognized it now. So very soon you will see this going forward. We are exporting.
In the anti-islanding, how does it work? It's automatic? Anti-islanding.
Automatic. So when the grid fails, the inverter will automatically switch off because it needs the grid. That grid supplies. Now you see the power. Look at this high speed. So this is free power we are giving to TDP. Free. No, this one also will move forward with the load. But there is not much load now. So this spinning what you see now is purely being exported. This power will go to the neighboring building. You can take a video of that spinning of that spinning.